subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe, and also press the bell icon.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Farwa, and today I'm going to review some products of Focallure. So yeah, if you wanted to know what is the reason behind I'm reviewing Focallure, then keep on watching. But before that, today's shout out goes to these persons. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So guys, Focallure has sent me a PR package. Oh my god, this is the first ever PR package in my life I've got. So the PR basically means products review. That means a brand is giving you some products to review purpose. So let me tell you, all of the opinions which I'm going to give you in this video are my own. This video is not sponsored. This video is not paid from Focallure. All of the reviews I'm going to give are my own personal. They didn't force me to review them. No, they just send me products. So it's up to me. If I like them, I will review them. If I don't, then sorry. Okay, but I like them. That's why I'm reviewing it. So this look is created using Focallure products. Like, they only sent me 3 products, but I am a starter. They mean a lot to me. 3 products, like, they mean a lot to me. Okay. So if you want to know how I created this look, then go to my Instagram. Link is down in the description box, or you can search on Instagram tag Farwa Makeup Life and you will see me. Okay, so I created this look using the product. So the product they sent to me. Okay, so these are the products. So this is an eyeshadow, Nykaa eyeshadow named Eyes. Okay, and here's written Focallure, and this is the shade number 2. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it in a bit. I've already unboxed them because I cannot wait. Lipstick lips shade number is 7, and this a blush and highlight palette, and the shade is FA 2026. Okay, FA 26. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so yeah, first let's open this blush palette, which is like the most favorite of mine. Okay, so this is like this. FA 26 means shade number 2. So let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna open it like this. Okay, so the blush color is, I guess, not a blush color, it's like a bronzer color. I use it as a bronzer because no one will wear this color as a bronzer or as a blush. But yeah, you can, and let's talk about the highlighters. My life. So these highlighters are more of like subtle highlighters, okay? If you guys are a fan of blinky highlighter, then this is not for you. But if you guys are a subtle highlighter fan, you guys can see the glue. So I'm gonna swatch this one first. This is more of amazing highlighter. Look. Oh my god. And here comes the golden one. I know you guys cannot see them perfectly in lightness, but don't worry, I'm going to show you. I'm not a bad girl. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it over here. Oh my god. So this is a big yes. Let's talk about this eyes palette. So here's the eyes palette, and the shade is FA36. Okay. This is like, oh my god, this is a really good travel pack. Here are the shades. Ah, dun, dun, dun. So this is like a travel pack. Look. Okay. Oh my god, I've used them to create this look, and oh my god, they are so buttery soft. Okay, let me tell you guys that the shimmery shades, they have written that if you use a dry brush, so they will be like a subtle glow, but if you use a wet brush, they will be like more of glowy. So I use them, so it's like more of glowy look. So I'm gonna swatch them all over here. So yeah, add a picture of everything so you guys can have a better look, but because of the brightness you guys cannot see them perfectly. So how can I do my sleeve like this? Okay, so really I see. Okay, so this has all of the neutral shade. You can this has 1 2 3 4 5 6 matte shades and 3 glitter shades, and those 3 shades I am dying for. Oh my god, they are The other product is lip. So this is also the Focallure lipstick. The shade number is 7. So well, I am not at all a red kind of person. I am a maroonish kind of person, but maroonish and nudish kind of person, but not a red kind of person. But so yeah, I am not that all red. But I actually needed a red lipstick to try on because I wanted to create some looks with it. So yeah, finally Focallure sent me. Thank you Focallure. Okay, the packaging of it is so luxurious. Okay, now just check it out. Look, you just have to press this button and you will get your lipstick out from it. Look at this red. I don't know why on camera it's sketching more of like neon red, but it's not neon red. It's a perfect red look. I don't know why on camera it's not catching it perfectly, but if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I've already shared my pics. I am literally what to say. So I've already posted them on Instagram. So these are the swatches of everything. Okay, so we've saw the products. Who will tell you the ingredient, huh? Farwa will tell you the ingredient. So the blush ingredients. I mean the bronzer, because this shade is more of a bronzer palette. But yeah, I am okay with it. So it has written blush all day and night with the flush of true love. Okay, so this is all like everything written for like it will be on your cheeks up to 16 hours. Okay, it's a good thing, man. So the ingredients are water, makeup. You can use this blush palette for 24 months. Okay. So now let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so here's written Focallure Night eyeshadow palette, and the ingredients are all makeup, magnesium, straight. So get a glamorous, unique look with Focallure's eyeshadow and the set of 9 stunning eyeshadow. Told you guys that you have to wet the brush and all of that, so it is the same. Lipstick products. Okay, you can dress your lip in decent color with Focallure cosmetic velvet lipstick. बहुत कुछ लिखा है. So they are cruelty free products and they are made in China. So yeah, they are amazing. I'm loving them. They treated me so nicely. Like they know how much followers and subscribers I have. Still they sent me a PR and they said me, we are giving you as a PR. We usually don't send PRs, but we are sending you PR and because we like your work and like they appreciated me. I was like, oh my god, I was so happy. And the delivery days are 1 to 4 days. You will get your products in 1 to 4 days. Okay, it is not matte, it's a glossy lipstick. So yeah, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so it's amazing. And if you want to send me a PR by contacting me on my Instagram or mail me or email me batoolfarwa.338@gmail.com. So you can mail me that too. I hope you get a good review of these products and you get a more information, better point of view about Focallure. So if you like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends. So also subscribe, don't forget that bell icon. Okay, if you want to see how I created this look, go to my Instagram. Okay, so yeah, that was it. Bye bye, take care, stay blessed.